Please.
Wait, I'll help you. Okay? I'll do it for you now. Let me just want to open the curtain. Hey, look at that. Oh, look at that. Go back. Cheese. Hi guys.
No!
What do you want to do?
Like to say hi guys.
What do you want to do?
We want to play with you.
Wanna play with me?
Yes.
On camera?
Yes.
Guys, he says he doesn't want to talk, he just wants to switch on the camera and play with Mammy. Because the camera, he does want it on, but he doesn't want to talk. I was saying today is Tuesday and we are leaving. We have to check out. It's around 8 a.m. Need to start packing properly, change. Yeah, just basically get ready for the road. We wanted to take the kids to UShaka Marine World before we go. I just checked the website now. I think it's saying it's 202 for adults, so it's gonna be me and my husband. And then Zu's gonna pay I think 154, and then Yongi will be free. Yeah, I think we'll do that if we can. But I know my husband today will probably be extra tired.
Talk.
Okay guys, let me go.
Mommy,
Bye.
don't talk.
So much, 'cause I really care too much. It's all just overwhelming, I'm just overthinking. I feel like I'm too much. Keep mistaking my anxiety for intuition, and stress keeps getting in the way of my ambition. Logically, I know I shouldn't feel this way, but my body doesn't agree with my brain. I'm looking over my shoulder, worrying it's over before it starts. I'm looking over my shoulder, worrying there's no one there who cares like I do. I really wanna feel free, but I'm worried I will lose me. Somewhere along the road I start feeling cold, get caught up in something old and spin further down the rabbit hole. Down I go, down I go. Ooh. Logically, I know I shouldn't feel this way, but my body doesn't agree with my brain. I'm looking over my shoulder,
exciting times, man. You don't want the photo. Oh, no, but you won't see the UShaka Marine from the back. You won't see that UShaka Marine from the back. My hair has been looking bad this whole time.
Let me go for one day. Let me lose myself again. Give me something for the pain. Always trying to pretend that I'm not living just a lie. Broken heart and shattered lives. Let me go for one day. Let me lose myself. Oh, I knew how this would end. Oh, I knew that it would die, that we would come to this, that we would say goodbye. Someone help me see it. Someone help me free this feeling. Someone help me see it. Someone help me free this feeling. Don't wanna think about the past. I'm crying out behind a mask.
Look, Zuzu.
Baby, baby, baby shark. Little, little baby
Oh, my baby. Ooh, I love fudge. Have you? When are we gonna come to this fudge one?
Searching for something that ain't lost. Have we got our lines crossed? We're wasting time on stuff that doesn't really matter, while wishing for something better. I try to fix things that weren't broken.
There's so much to do here. Don't need to rush.
We fall apart, and I won't dare to say, do you feel the same way? Maybe you don't wanna know, but you don't see.
Hey, it's windy. Look, Zuzu. Look there, big boy. What's it? A beach? Oh, wow. So nice and cool. But it wouldn't be too cool for the kids if it's this windy. Hey, Papa. Yongi. Gamma. Gamma comes. Young Gamma. Puppy. Yonga. Hey, look at the sand. Look at the sand, Zuzu. Hey, will I be able to balance with your Gamma here? Mana, Papa? Let's go. I don't want to take off my old shoes, guys. Guys, Yongama is having too much fun. He's even touching the sand. There's Susie there and his daddy. Oh! We are at UShaka Marine World, but we just missed the Sea World. It was open now between 11 and 12. The next slot is at 3. But our flight is later in the evening, so I guess we have time. We can be here the whole day. So a few restaurants, can eat, chill here and eat. Yeah.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day.
Do you remember the honeymoon house get I wasn't in Pickway? I kept saying, no, go. And then I found myself deeper and deeper. Yo, I was so scared.
You're there, nothing
You do. My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the snow, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire.
Big boy, are you what?
Need to get him close, maybe we can get close here. Sure, there's chips there.
Yung gama. Come, Zuzu, don't go.
Till we grow old, please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my
Zuzu is very rich and he's wearing jeans. I didn't think that there was an ocean here or a beach. So he's very wet and he was wearing, like, we were actually dressed for the airport, but now he's wet. So we just bought shorts for him at one of the shops here so he can change because it's very wet. And the parking is far. So yeah, his dad just bought him shorts. He's changing them in the fitting room now. Then yeah, we're gonna go. I'm with Yongama now. This hair, it keeps getting blown by the wind, but also I feel like maybe there's a bit of growth and I haven't been applying anything on it. I don't like applying stuff unnecessary on my hair, but yeah, guys, I feel like I should have done hair now. But I'm gonna have this vlog for a while, but it is what it is. It's clean. We are gonna go. The aquarium is the one at 3. Which one is it? Now I'm so confused now. Oh, there's also places to eat also. Come, Zuzu. Guys.
Let's talk.
Please.
Wow. Hey, I'm Johnny. the dolphins.
The dolphins, see the dolphins painting.
Such a big. Hey, hey, big boy.
Hello, big fish, hello.
So excited. Hello. Hey. Hey, Papa. Look, Bobby.
What in the water, there's life in this. See that one's good.
I wasn't even expecting to see everything else. Like,
The leaves are going to move.
oh, okay.
It's gonna eat Abby.
It's gonna make on stomach so.
What's it eating? Is it eating the fish that eats it? It killed the fish. It's gonna eat it.
Oh no. Mary, so why do they put them with fish?
To feed the
That's the whole point.
This one is going close to it. You see your guys are there.
Even that one there is busy there at the bottom. Oh, that one looks like it's this is dangerous. Where's the big? Oh, it actually looks like a big one. Oh, it changes colors as well. Look there, my baby, look there. Up there. On the wall there.
God, he's happy, I say.
Hey?
Is it that this is the fish water?
That's what brings the thing up.
Do what?
Don't come race there.
For recover.
You sure there's that guy now? We need that guy to come back for content.
That's it.
Look, they're coming out, Suzu. Look. Those ones there on your right.
This big one. It's a spider.
Suzu, have you shown him those ones on your right?
Chinese ones. Look at it. You see them? They're on the floor. In the sand. Inside the sand.
Look, Zuzu, look at this one. Look at this one, Maddie. It's coming out.
Look at those ones there. You see them?
Look, these ones. Look at these ones. These
Must get this for home, ne?
Aye, It's a seahorse. Here's some more here. Yeah, nice seahorse. Where is it, Mary?
Let's look at Caesar.
Oh, really?
What's the tip? You see it?
What did it say?
What does it say?
Hey, Papa. Hey, just
Sleeping.
Look, that there's a mouse.
okay, Yonga.
There's a mouth.
Yes.
Oh, finally you saw the mouth. Yes. Let's go. Come. Yeah. Wow! Look at that boat.
Look at that, Mommy.
Yes?
Look at that.
Yes! Oh, this is so beautiful. Look up there, my baby. Look up there.
What's that?
There. The shark. Look. Do you see it? Did you see it?
It's your
Mommy shark?
Yes.
Okay. And you?
Balasa.
Brother shark. And baby?
Baby shark.
Okay. Look there, Zuzu.
What's that?
What's that, Auntie? It's a type of shark. It's a shark.
Shark.
This grandpa shark.
Grandpa shark. Grandpa shark. Grandpa shark. Grandpa shark. Oh, there it is. That's a big one, Zuzu. Do you see it? That one. The bottom. Look, Papa. Go stand there with Zuzu.
It's big. My look at is taller too.
Daddy is tall.
It's big. That big fish, Mama.
Yes. I see it. Oh, this one is a fish, no? It's not a shark.
She's not scared of the sharks.
Yes. Oh, it's so big, this one. So the sharks are also not scared. Or sharks are not a problem. It's just these ones that are scared of the sharks.
There is a chance we are going to feed our
Yes.
are perfectly safe here, getting plenty of fresh fish, mental stimulation. Let's give it up for Spongy and Snake!
I'm looking out from my window. Sun's coming up like the day before. You're like a stone on my pillow. I don't make a sound when I shut the door. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon, Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Yeah. Shut the lights, go infrared.
One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart? What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show, feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love, me? Yeah. Do you even worry?
Bye-bye, mermaid baby.
Let's go inside. You need to put the bubbles back in.
Hey, that's hey, hey, hey.
I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box.
Yung gama.
In relation to our first love feeling, but please don't be discouraged. We're still looking for more. Check that.
Silly baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. Looking for my mother's eyes as I'm staying close to the mirror. A lock of gold, a secret smile, little things I remember. Place a hand upon my heart as her, she was a believer. Sometimes I can feel her arms holding me as forever. Time changes everything, and everything will change in time. Love changes every heart, and any heart can change you. I see in you my mother's eyes, and I lay your head to my shoulder. A lock of gold, a secret smile. I will tell you when you get older. I place a hand upon your heart. Every beat is taking me over, and I will hold you in my arms. Pretend we'll stay here forever. Love changes
Hey, Booty.
Hey, Abby.
Booty. Yeah, Booty.
Hey, Booty.
Hey, Mama and Daddy.
Hello. Hey, Booty. Say hey, Booty.
Hey, Booty.
I don't wanna care so much, 'cause I really care too much. It's all just overwhelming, I'm just overthinking. I feel like I'm too much. Keep mistaking my anxiety for intuition, and stress keeps getting in the way.